This Air Jordan 1 is on the rise. The prices are going up now. Use this video as a reminder to buy this Air Jordan 1 now before it's too late, because the price is going to continue to skyrocket. This Air Jordan 1 was reselling for under $200. They have quickly went up now to around $270 to $280 in most sizes, which means this Air Jordan 1 will continue to go up in price. This Air Jordan 1 is on the rise now. This colorway, this color blocking, these were guaranteed to go up in price. I told you guys a few months ago to buy this Air Jordan 1 before it's too late. The price is going up now. It's going to continue to go up. I want you guys to go out there and buy this Air Jordan 1 if this is a must-have for you in your personal sneaker collection. If you're looking to invest, you should have bought pairs already. I think you probably did, but I think you could still buy some pairs because I think this sneaker is going to continue to skyrocket in price. This Air Jordan 1 is on the rise now. Free Panda Dunk giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Panda Dunk lows. Make sure you also subscribe to Hype Time Kicks. I'm gonna leave his channel link down below in the description. For a bonus entry, you can DM me on Instagram at DannyMoore2369 and DM me proof that you did everything. This giveaway ends the beginning of April, and I'm gonna FaceTime the winner. So make sure you guys DM me on Instagram. Trust me, you wanna get your giveaway entries in for a free pair. I wanna be the Mr. Beast of sneaker YouTube, and I need your guys' help. So please make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and go back and watch some other videos here on the channel. I sold Air Jordan 1s for just $1. The video blew up. I'm gonna do it again, so make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned. I'll also leave that video link at the end of the video, so make sure you guys stay tuned to the end so you can watch that video. We're about to hit 54,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the love and the support. Let's keep going. Let's keep grinding. We're gonna hit 100,000 subscribers this year. Join the free Panda Dunk giveaway. Make sure you leave that comment, and let's get into this straight fire pair of Air Jordan 1s that are on the rise. I have a few pairs of this Air Jordan 1 myself. This Air Jordan 1 does come in both men's, women's, as well as grade school sizes. Every size is on the rise. They're all climbing up in price. This Air Jordan 1 was a really good hold and is still a very good hold. This colorway, this color blocking, these were just guaranteed to go up in price. Let's see what Air Jordan 1 I'm talking about is on the rise. I think you guys need to buy these now before it's too late. Previous colorways of this Air Jordan 1 are extremely expensive, which is why this Air Jordan 1 had to skyrocket and is continuing to go up in price. Buy them. If you guys don't have them and you want them, buy them. The Air Jordan 1 Starfish. Men's, women's, grade school, they're all on the rise right now. This is a pair, men's pair size 11. Have a women's pair size 10, which is an 8.5 men, but this is a women's pair. And then I also have a 6.5 Y grade school pair as well. I brought these three pairs out to tell you guys to make sure you buy this Air Jordan 1 now before it's too late, because these are on the rise. They're skyrocketing. Let's talk about why. The color blocking is the reason why. The colors used is the reason why. And of course, the Shadow Backboard colorway. Shadow Backboard theme just skyrocketed, blew up, a lot of crazy hype, and it has transferred over to other Air Jordans that use that orange as well. This is like the 2.0 just in a low cut version. They do have your Nike Air on the tongue, Air Jordan Wings logo on the back, big black Nike swoosh. All pairs come with extra laces. You have the black laces on them, white and orange laces to go with them as well. Men's right now is anywhere from like $250 all the way up to almost $300. They were at like $190, $200 at one point. They have went up. They're on the rise, and I believe that these will easily go to $350, even $400, the men's pairs. This is becoming a very sought after Air Jordan 1, which I expected. Now the women's pairs are going for a little bit less. They're going for around $220 to $240. I do believe that these will easily hit $300 plus. Now grade school is the cheapest. They're at like $170, $180. I do believe these will easily hit like $250. The Jordan 1 Starfish low is on the rise. You guys need to buy them now before it's too late, because this sneaker is just gonna get even more expensive. Orange bottom to match the orange upper. White toe box with the white midsection. These were gonna go up in price. They're going up buy the Starfish Low now before it's too late and before you regret not buying them, because they're going to continue to skyrocket. When we get Jordan 1 investments just like this, it's really, really good to make some quick, easy profit, holding on to just a few pairs. That's what I did with this shoe. You can buy a few pairs for around market and know that, hey, one day they're going to go up in price. And for these, it didn't take that long. It took, what, maybe it's been about 6 months now? Not a bad hold at all. These were really good. I'm going to be holding on to my pairs still. I think they're going to continue to go up, but I think if you want to sell them, you can. You're cashing out, make good profit, take that profit, put it into other sneaker investments. If you don't have capital, you should not be holding. You need to quick flip, keep making that money, stack up that money, and then you can do some holds. Holding on to a few pairs makes sense. Holding on to 1, maybe 2 pairs, not so much. I like to hold on to at least 5 pairs personally, 5 to 10 at minimum, so that it's worth it, so that you make a few $100s at minimum on your return. The Starfish Jordan 1 Low is a really good Jordan 1 investment. They're continuing to skyrocket. Make sure you guys buy them. The Starfish Air Jordan 1 Low is fire, straight fire. As sneakerheads, we wear our sneakers and they get dirty very easily. Rejuvenator wipes are awesome. They're going to clean your sneakers, and they're awesome because they're very small. You put them in your pocket, and they're great for on the go. Let's open these up, and let me show you guys how great the Rejuvenator wipes very quickly are. And we have some other Rejuvenator products to show you guys as well. Make sure you guys check the link down below in the description. You're going to get 10% off automatically at checkout. Rejuvenator wipes are the way to go. They're awesome for cleaning your sneakers. You get a little bit something, a little scuff, a little dirt, something on your shoe very quickly. Take these wipes with you. They're very small. Put them in your pocket, and they're going to clean your shoes. Link down below. They're very cheap and affordable. These are definitely my go-to sneaker cleaning product. When you really wear your shoes, if they get very dirty, you guys got to check out, of course, the Rejuvenator Signature Shoe Cleaning Kit. This kit is very affordable. I believe it's about $30 using my link down below. Clean your shoes, Rejuvenator, the right way to clean your shoes. The best sneaker cleaning products. Make sure you guys check them out. I absolutely love Rejuvenator. They're definitely the way to go. Make sure you guys cop the wipes. The wipes are definitely cheap, affordable, and they're definitely the go-to. You get a bunch of them for a great price. Be sure to click my link down below. You're going to get 10% off automatically at checkout on the entire Rejuvenator website. Thank you, Rejuvenator, for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to it. Smash that like button. Let's get a bunch of likes on this video. It really does help the channel grow. Thank you guys for smashing that like button. And make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys love sneakers, make sure you guys subscribe. And be sure to enter in the free Panda Dunk giveaway. Leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know your size. Got Soul New York sneaker event, Saturday, April 16th. I will be there. Make sure you guys cop your tickets now before it's too late. Make sure you guys pull up to New York Got Soul. I cannot wait. Click my personalized link down below. Check out Rejuvenator. Go cop some Rejuvenator products. You're going to get 10% off automatically at checkout. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.